Good evening. My name is Raymond Maturino. I am an EDOL 700 student at Raymond University. Today I'm going to cover the 4 assessments that I decided to utilize from the Resident Leader written by Annie McKee, Richard Boyatkis, and Francis Johnston. Additionally, I'm going to share my Disposition Assessment strength and weakness, or room for improvement. Let's start off with the 4 assessments that you can find in Chapter 4 of the Resident Leader that I selected. The 4 assessments I selected, the first one, the reason why I selected it is my noble purpose, because I want to continue to exhibit genuine care for others. Secondly, my second assessment I chose was my values, which are empathy, respect, active listening, integrity, and trustworthiness. Those are my 5 priority values overall. I also want to discuss my life in 2022. It's very important for me to see why my professional goal will be to become a college professor over every other career opportunity to help others. Also, my personal goals, things that I still want to do in the immediate future with 2022, like earn my degree, my doctorate, and other things with family, friends. Also, which was pretty interesting, I want to share that I want to discuss hypotheticals dealing with what people would say about me at my funeral. What I hope they would say is I cared, I was kind, and I had respect for humanity. I won't be surprised if they were to say I was mean, grouchy, and too blunt. We'll see as I share that. Finally, from my disposition assessments, I want to share what I believe are strengths and what I believe are weaknesses. What I believe my strengths and weaknesses are, I believe that I have high character and integrity, and my justifications demonstrate every attribute that was measured as me having those strengths. Additionally, areas that need improvement, like my creativity and sustained innovation, and why I believe my self-assessment did not merit or meet the peer groups, group 1, 2, group 5, group 4, group 3, all the groups. And team building, also an area that needs improvement. And I'd like to discuss that and get a little more. I had discussed my TLDP. Thank you for your time. Appreciate the opportunity to discuss briefly with you what my plan is for my TLDP. Bye-bye.